To configure email settings in Chaos Control Cloud, we first need to be in System Setup. We then need to click on Document and Email Settings. And from there, click on the Email Settings tab. The first thing to do is to make sure you've entered and verified your email domain. We're then able to set global settings for use when sending any kind of email, or settings for individual types of email, such as invoices or statements, for instance. We'll start off by looking at the settings for all emails. Firstly, we can set how long after an email is generated it's actually sent. The default is immediately, but as you can see, we have various different options. We'll leave ours set to immediately. Next, we have the option to set our emails into test mode. This gives us the opportunity to check that our emails are working correctly without them actually being sent. We can then decide what we would like in the subject line of emails being sent. The default is document code, so if we're using our generic settings to send an invoice, for example, the subject line will be the invoice number. And we can also ask the system to attach a PDF of the relevant document. We can then enter the email address that we would like to use as the from address. We'll change ours to info. The from name defaults to the company name as set up in System Values, but this can be changed using free text if necessary. The BCC field ensures that any email sent will be blind copied in to the specified email address. And finally, you can specify a reply to address. And don't forget to save your settings. We'll now have a look at some of the options available for specific types of email, and these are selected in the drop-down. We'll use invoices for this example. Firstly, we can view and edit the template that the system is going to use for this type of email. To do this, we click on the View button. The system is provided with preset templates. These are written in HTML and are editable. However, we don't recommend you edit them unless you have a good knowledge of HTML. It's then possible to edit the subject line using a combination of free text and document code. The remainder of the settings are the same as for the all emails settings. However, any settings made here will only apply to invoice emails. Again, remember to save any changes you've made. Thanks for watching.